This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. Today we're going to discuss about what is the difference between sort by and order by in Snowpark. Okay, don't look at this hive. Okay, it's a documentation, but we're going to see what is mean by sort by and order by. Okay, now if you want to see all the data frame methods, right? You can go to Snowflake documentation. You can get all the methods, aggregation, and then COL column, and then correlation, count, everything you can get from this documentation. You can hit the one by one tab, and then you can see the what this function is doing, count function is doing. It will be able to count the values from the data frame. Okay, like this, there are n number of things are available in this Snowflake documentation. You can refer from here. But today session, we're going to discuss about what is the difference between order by and sort by. Okay, mostly order by and sort by are same, but the way it works is entirely different. It's going to give the same results. Then you may have a question. Then what's the need of order by sort by? Can I go for order by or sort by? Both is going to give us same results, but the performance wise, order by will be good. Now I'm going to say how the order by and sort by works. See, mostly this order by and sort by using data frames to sort the data frame in descending order or ascending order based on single or multiple columns. You can provide single column or you can provide multiple columns. Based on multiple columns also, you can able to sort based on the ascending or descending. Okay, and then whenever you are applying order by or sort by, it's going to return a new data frame for you after sorting. Okay, like you can you're already aware of this order by using SQL statements. Now I'm going to say how it works, the order by. Now this order by is going to perform a total ordering of the query result set. Now just going to take one example. I have my notepad. Now what happens, you guys already know Snowflake works on the micro partitions. Snowflake works on the micro partitions. Whenever data comes into the table, it will automatically do micro partition. Now, what I'm going to do is just take these are the values I have. Okay, A, C. In one partition I have A, C. Another partition I have B and D. Another partition I having E and G. Okay, E and G I have. Okay, and then another partition I having F and H. Totally, how many micro partitions are there? As per the data, how many micro partitions we have?
Four, sir.
We have four micro partitions, right? A and C is one partition, B and D is another partition, E and G is another partition, F and H is another partition. What happens, right? Though I'm going to give some column name for this. Okay, the column name is going to be alphabets. The column name is going to be alphabets. Now, what I'm going to do is, if I use order by, okay, data frame, just will make simple data frame dot order by. I'm going to column reference. The column reference I want to use. The column name is alphabets. And then I go into ascending order. Okay, like this I will write some lines of code. Okay, now what will happen, right? It will take all the micro partitions in a single shot. In a single shot, what I will do? Okay, 1 minute. I will add one more thing as well. Like okay, 1 minute. I will make it as one more z. Here I will make it w. Okay, here I will make it l. Here I will make it as somewhat o. Okay, this is the actual data we have in the four micro partitions. Now what happens if you give order by, right? What will happen if you take the alphabet column? Okay, because each partition is stored in a separate disk. Okay, in a memory. Now what happens, right? Whenever you use order by, right, it will take all the micro partitions in a single shot. It will do the ordering. If you are using order by, it will take more time to execute because it has to take this micro partition. It has to take this micro partition. It has to take third micro partition, fourth micro partition. It has to give the results to a single reducer. Single reducer. What the reducer will do, it will take all the micropartitions as an input, and then it will do the order by, and then finally give us a result. This is nothing but order by. Guys, I am saying to you again, it will take the entire micropartitions and then it will pass the input to the reducer. The reducer will perform the order by, and then will perform the ascending order, because just think you have petabytes of data. Petabytes of data. The petabytes of data are distributed into various micropartitions. Finally, a single reducer has to collect all the micropartitions and then it has to apply on the all the data. Okay. Now, just thinking sort by. Now, sort by is now we're going to say about sort by. 1 minute. Yeah. Now we're going to talk about sort by. Okay. Now what happens, right? I have around four micropartitions. It also going to the same operation. Now the sort by what will do, right? It will sort the each micropartitions. It will sort the each micropartitions. If I sort this micropartition, what's the value I'll get? Based on ascending order, if I sort this micropartition, what value I'll get? In ascending order.
ACZ, sir.
AC
Z.
and then Z. And then come here. Here will be B,
BDW.
BDW. Like this, each micropartition will be sorted. After sorting, the output will pass to a single reducer. Reducer is nothing but it's going to reduce the outputs. Reducer output means, okay, it's going to get single output. Reducer means single reducer means it's going to single output. Now what happens in the micropartition itself? What happens, right? We are doing the sort by operation. Okay, after doing sort by operation, you are passing to a single reducer. Okay, in a single reducer, what happens, right? Again, it will do the sorting again. Again, will do the sorting again. 2 times of sorting will occur. Got it? But in order by, how many times order will occur? In a single shot or
Single shot, sir.
in a single shot, it will take all the data and then it will pass to a single reducer, and then it will do the order by. It will take more time. If we have like, for example, if you have petabytes of data, it will take more time. But this sort by what it will do, right? It will take the data in the partition itself. It sort the data and then pass to single reducer. Single reducer again will sort the data. Single reducer again will sort the data. Okay, again will sort the data. That's the difference between order by and sort by. Whoever is having doubts, you can ask me. Now I'm going to ask the questions to you guys. Okay, now I'm going to ask the questions to you guys. Anand, Sujita, Priya, it's clear for you guys. What's the difference between order by and sort by? You can pass multiple columns as well as order by and sort by. It's going to perform the ascending and descending order. But I want to know the internal working, how it works. Now,
Sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Yeah. Now, Sadish, how the software works?
Sir, sort by sir, it sorts each cluster and then it will be
Each
sending it
cluster.
to the.
We're going to sort each cluster or what? This is how I said to you.
Sorry. No, sir. It will initially it will sort each partition, sir, and
Okay.
then it will be sending it to the single reducer, and sort operation will be happening there again, sir.
Again, 2 times of sort operation will again happen. Okay, இங்க பாருங்க நான் உங்களுக்கு போட்டு காட்டுறேன். ஓகேங்களா. சார்ட் எப்படி ஒர்க் ஆகும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது பண்ணுங்களேன். இட் வில் பி லைக் எல்இஜின்னு இருக்கா, அகைன் இஜி அண்ட் எல் வரும். இஜி அண்ட் அகைன் எல் வில் கம். இங்க பாருங்க, இதுல வந்து என்ன வரும், எஃப் ஹெச் அண்ட் ஓ. First initially it will be sorted and then it will pass in the output a single reducer, and then finally what happens, I'm going to write the result here. Result inga edhu paathuங்க. Can you see the results? After passing the output single reducer, what is output? It's going to be a, sorry, I should not write here, I should write a single line, a and then c, right? A again, b will come, b will come, b and then c will come, right? c, d, A will come and then B will come and C will come, D will come. What happened next?
E, sir.
E will come. E.
F.
Suita Priya. After E, what will come? E and then E. A, B, C, D, and then after E, what is the character will get? After E.
F.
Yeah. After E.
F. sir.
F G
F, G.
H
F, G. H and then F, G, H and then
H I J.
I, J. Where is I here? Where is I here?
No sir. No sir. No sir. No sir.
F, G, H. You guys have to say.
L
L.
L,
O
O,
O
L, O,
W is it?
W,
Z
Z. Like
Z.
this, the sort by will do what will happen. The initial sorting will happen, and then after you are passing the outputs to single reducer will again do sort operation. Okay, that's how the sort by as well as sort by will work. Both are same. We're going to apply both transformation in the data frames. Now they are saying like all the data is passed through a single reducer. Order by is all the data passed through a single reducer, which may take unacceptably long time to execute for larger data sets. If you're handling terabytes of data, petabytes of data, then it will take more time because it has to receive all the data and then it is going to do a single shot. Okay, that single reducer will take more time to perform the order by operation. But sort by what happens, right? You are going to initially sort the data. After that, you're going to pass to the each reducer. Okay, initially some local ordering will be done. Okay, after that what will happen, right? When local ordering is done, where each reducer output will be sorted. Okay, you can see some better performance. You can see better performance when compared to order by. But order by drawback is like they're saying like it will take longer time to execute larger data sets. For smaller data sets, order by is good. For larger data sets, you can see the performance impact, but sort by is really good for better performance for total ordering. Okay, now this is how order by and sort by works. We are going to use in PySpark data frames as well as Snowpark data frames. Okay, and then pandas also you can able to use this order by and sort by. Okay, now we're going to show the demo session. Now first we are going to create the one Python file just to make it sort by and order by dot Python file. Okay, now you guys already know, just we have to import some modules. Yeah, just sorry guys, you have to make it import it. Okay, from snowflake dot snowpark. Okay, Snowpark, just import the session. Yeah, import the session and then connection params will be there, right? Just go and take some other thing and take the connection params. Take the connection params. Yeah, and copy paste the connection params. With the help of connection params, you can able to establish the connection with your Snowflake data warehouse. Okay, now just create a new session equal to, you can give any variable. Okay, you can give any variable. Just import the class, session class, and just builder, and then config. In that you can pass the connection parameters, and finally you can use get or create. Yeah, why it's not showing get or create for me? Yeah, session dot builder dot config. What we have to use? Let's see. I don't know why it's not showing. Let's see, guys. Yeah, it's a get or create, right? O should be caps. Get or create. Builder should be okay, correct only. Yeah. Now, what we're going to do, right? Just I want to play with my actual data. Okay, I want to play with my actual data. That's you go to the worksheet and take any worksheets. And go to our databases, HRDB, and then HR schema, and then you have tables, right? And now we're going to take the employees table. Good. Just do one thing. Place the cursor here and take employees. Okay. Yeah. Just copy as it is. Now you guys have to say how to play with the actual data. EMP data frame, it's a variable name, equal to new session. Satish, how to play with the actual data? I want to use this data, employees data. New session dot, new session dot. Or if
Create data frame.
hey, it's a create data frame only for giving the data. I want to play the actual data. It's a table actually. It should be dot table. We are not playing with the actual, we are not playing with the sample data. Okay, just we are using the table. You have to create new session dot table. You have to create. Now if you use the actions, right, just right click and run in Python terminal. Where is the run Python? Yeah, you can run in terminal. Now you can see the data frames. What happened here? Missing one required positional arguments value. What I have missed here, like config. Sorry, it's a configs. No one said to me. It's a configs. Config means only one key and value can pass. Configs means multiple key and values you can pass. Though this connection parameters are dictionary. It's a Python dictionary. Okay, that's the issue. Just you can run here. Don't put config, you put configs. Yeah, now you can see the data frame. Okay, it's the results actually. Now what I going to do is, I will show here. Good. Just to make select star from employees. Yeah, now you can see the results. Now, you guys have to say, I want to use order by based on employee ID and job ID. Okay, I already said order by you can use a single column, multiple columns you use. See, first I will use single column and then I can try with multiple columns as well. Okay, now I'm going to take the employee ID and job ID. Good. Now you guys have to say how to apply the order by, because I have written a syntax initially how to perform the order by and sort by. Okay, we're going to use both. See, order by drawback is if you are performing the logic data sets, the performance impact will be more. Okay, if it less data, it will be good. Performance is good. Okay. Now, just what I have to do is I'm going to use sort now. Just to remove this thing, just make it sort. Okay, that is a transformation called sort transformation will be there. Just you can use sort, and then now you can use double quotes, and then you can provide a column, or you can use column reference as well. For column reference, what we can do, from anyone, from snowflake dot snowpark dot guys, I want to import a column reference
Column,
dot
sir.
dot
Co-
functions import. In the functions only we have the COL. Okay, just where is COL? It's a column, right? COL, yeah, you can see. Just you have to import it, and then you can perform the COL, put the brackets, and then pass the see, I'm what I'm going to do, right? It's already in the sorting order, right? It's already in the sorting order, right? Now I'm going to use column for descending order. Just take this employee ID, okay. If you are not giving a descending order, it will do default will do only in ascending order. SQL also do the same, right? Like if you use order by, right, if you are not providing any ascending order, descending order, basically it perform the ascending order. Okay, once you perform the DSC, then only perform the descending order. Now good, what we can do is just you can put, I think just you want to put inside, I guess. Sorry guys, 1 minute. Yeah, ASC, ascending order you have to put. You perform the ascending order. If you want to perform the descending order, what I have to put? What I have to put? Descending order, DSC. That's it. And then give the action, because Snowpark is lazily evaluated. If I want to see only 5 records, give 5, show of 5. It's going to give in the results in the descending order. Now you can see, right? Results coming in the descending order. You can see it's coming from 206, 205, 204, 203, because initially start with 100. Though you perform the descending order, it's giving the descending order fashion. Now you guys have a question like, can I able to pass multiple columns in sort? Yeah, you can do. You can pass the multiple columns. What we have to do is just you put comma and have one column reference, and then you can pass. Just I will go here and take the job ID. Okay, just click on the job ID, copy this job ID. Okay, and then I want to perform this one also in descending order. Okay, just run it. See guys, yeah, just I will scroll up. You can see first what it will do, it will sort the employee ID column. Okay, it will sort the employee ID column in descending order. Once it comes in descending order, and then it will sort this job ID column. For 206, okay, the job ID is going to be AC account. Okay, if you want to select only two columns, what is the transformation I have to use? Or if I want to select only employee ID and what is that, job ID, what transformation I have to use? Here I can able to see all columns, right? I want to see only two columns. What I can use? Anyone? If I want to see only two columns, employee ID and job ID, what is the column I have to use? What is the function I have to use?
Select.
Satish?
Sir, column.
What column?
Select.
Select you have to use, that's it. See, this thing everyone knows. Even a layman knows all these things. Because you coming from the SQL background, you don't know what is selecting. You can select the columns. Just employee ID. Even a layman will do all these things. Just looking for job ID. Just give like 7 records. Show of 7. Will display only 7 records. I selected only two columns. I'll get employee ID and job ID. You can only see only two columns. Employee and job ID. Okay, first we'll sort the employee ID column. Once it's sorted right, then we'll sort the job ID column. For 206, AC account. Okay, it comes in sorting order, descending order. Now, if you want to sort in ascending order, what do I do? If I want to sort in ascending order, same data frame. If I want to sort in ascending order, what do I have to do?
Sir, dot AAC. Here
Dot AAC can provide. Sujita Priya, you have to provide dot ascending order. Okay, now you can see the results. It's coming in the ascending order. You can see, right? 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, and then coming in ascending order. Now, if I remove the ASC, it will perform ascending order, descending order. If I remove the dot ASC, it will perform ascending order or descending order.
Sir, ascending order.
Ascending order. That's the difference. I already said the difference, right? What is the difference? Sort by and order by. Both are same. That's the only difference is there. Because sort will perform the initially sorting in each micro partitions, and then the output will pass to single reducer. Single reducer again will do the sorting operation. Okay. If you use order by, right, in a single shot, it will do the order by in a single reducer. It will take more time if you have like huge data sets like terabytes or petabytes. Now good. Now what I have to show here is sort by is completed, right? We can able to sort the records. Now I want to show a few more things to you guys. Just copy the same thing. I'm going to remove all these things. They're going to remove all these things. If I use column of star asterisk, just given a single quotes. Okay. If I use select a column asterisk, how many columns will be displayed? Single columns, multiple columns will be displayed, or single column will be displayed?
Multiple columns.
You guys have to say.
Multiple
Because
columns.
I'm selecting all the columns. Asterisk means I'm selecting all the columns. It's going to display all the columns for me. In select statement using SQL, right? If you put select star, you'll get all the columns. Same thing here. You can see, right? I'm getting all the columns. Okay, just use a column of asterisk means it gives all the columns for you. Now good. Now I want to show a few more things to you guys. Just I'm going to use a column reference. In the column reference, this time I'm going to use commission PCT. Commission PCT. This commission PCT, these are the options we have. Ascending nulls first. What does it mean?
Sir, it will give first null values, sir.
First we'll give the null values. After that, we'll give the value. Okay. Now, if you use ascending null first, right, it's going to give the first null values. Just select only one column and select. Okay, you can use single quotes or double quotes. It's not a matter. Okay, just you can using double quotes here. You can use single quotes as well. Both are same. See, in interview, they'll ask this question to you guys. It's, what is the difference sort by and order by? At the time, you have to say the internal working. Now you can see, right? Just do one thing. I'm giving show of 7. That's why null value is coming first. Okay, you can see, right? I'm giving show of 7. This time I'll give show of 30. Let's see how it happens. It's going to display 30 records. First, it's going to give the null value. Yeah, I think first 30 records is getting null values. Okay, that's why it's giving null. Okay, if I want to use one more function is there. Ascending null last. Now you guys have to say, if I use this transformation, what will be the result?
Null will be in last position. First will be values, sir.
Values. Now you can see, right? The commission PCT, you're getting values first. Okay, see, it's giving like 30. Okay, 30 records will display. But what happens, right? After 30 only, this null value is coming. Okay, you have to think like null is last means null value come in the last. Initially, the values will come first. Okay, this order by and sort by both are same. But whenever talking to the interviewer, you should talk about internal working. How the order by and sort by works. Many of the candidates say like order by and sort by are same, but they won't say the internal working, how it works. Now, same thing I'm going to do in order by, the same thing. Okay, just what I'm going to do is just I'm going to copy this one. Insert sort. I'm going to use
Order by.
order by. That's it. Okay, you can use column reference or you can use double quotes. It's up to you. Yeah, I want to do this one is ascending order. Okay, employee should be ascending order, and then job ID should be descending order. Let's give it a try. Now you can see, right? Just what I'm doing is this employee ID is sorted in the ascending order, but this job ID is sorted in the descending order. Okay. Now you might have a question like, see, for 100 EAD press, how it's descending order you saying, right? If 100 you have multiple records. Okay, if in 100, for example, I have 5 records. After performing the group by, I'll get only one value. We'll put 100 in the group of records. It will take the last record and put it here. Okay, though it's a single record, it's giving same as it is. If you are playing with a group of records, right, after performing the group by, it will take the last value and put it over here. Good. நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரியுதா? 100லயே 5 ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு. குரூப் பை பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா 100 மட்டும் இங்க வந்துரும். அந்த 100ல ஒரு 5 ரெக்கார்டு இருக்கு அப்படின்னா அந்த 5 ரெக்கார்ட்ல டிசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர்ல வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இங்க வரும்னு சொல்றேன். ஓகேவா? இதுல சிங்கிள் ரெக்கார்டு இருக்கிறதுல அப்படியே கொடுத்துச்சு உங்களுக்கு. குட். நான் ஆர்டர் பைல் வந்து இப்படி பண்ணலாம். நான் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேஸ்ல அச்சீவ் பண்ண சொல்லி தரேன் உங்களுக்கு. வெரி சிம்பிள் தான். இப்படியும் பண்ணலாம். டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேஸ் ஆர் தேர். இப்படியும் ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். நோ நீட் ஆஃப் எனி காலம் ரெஃபரன்ஸ். ஜஸ்ட் வந்து நீங்க இப்படி பண்ணலாம். புரியுதா? காலம் ரெஃபரன்ஸ் தேவையே கிடையாது. இப்படியும் நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். இப்படியும் ட்ரை பண்ணலாம். another way is there. one more way. எது போட்டாலும் கரெக்ட் தான். ஓகே. remove the double quotes. இப்படி போடலாம். ஓகேங்களா? அதே மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணலாம்? எம்ப்ளாயி டேட்டா ஃப்ரேம் டாட் ஜாப் ஐடி. இந்த டேட்டா ஃப்ரேம்ல இருக்க காலம் எப்படி கால் பண்றோம் இப்படியும் பண்ணலாம். கன்ஃபியூஷன் இருக்கு அதுல? ஒன்றும் டிஃபரன்ஸ் கிடையாது. உள்ள என்ன பாஸ் பண்றோம்? இந்த எம்ப்ளாயி டேட்டா ஃப்ரேம்குள்ள இந்த எம்ப்ளாயி காலம் இருக்கு, அதுல அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர் பண்றேன். அதே மாதிரி எம்ப்ளாயி டேட்டா ஃப்ரேம்குள்ள ஜாப் ஐடி ஒரு காலம் இருக்கு, டிசைனிங் ஆர்டர் பண்றேன். அவ்வளவுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸ். தவிர இப்படியும் போடலாம். நீ டபுள் கோட்ஸ் டேட்டாவும் போடலாம், காலம் வச்சு போடலாம். போத் ஆர் சேம். Satish, is it clear?
Sir,
Clear.
Clear, sir.
We can try in 3 different ways. எனக்கு வந்து என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா everyone should play with the actual data. Okay, I think string object has no attribute ascending order. Wait பண்ணுங்க, ஒன்னு பார்த்துட்டே வரேன். Some issue is there. Okay, just will comment this line as of now. அவன் என்ன சொல்றான் அப்படின்னா இது ஒரு string, இது string attributeல ASC ஒன்றும் கிடையாதுன்றான். ட்ரை பண்ணுவோம், வரேன். Yeah, string object has no attribute ASC. இது ஸ்ட்ரிங்ன்றான். எம்ப்ளாய்டு என்றது ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரிங். நீ வந்து இதுல வந்து அசெண்டிங் ஆர்டர் வந்து பண்ண முடியாதுன்றான். ஓகே, குட். அவன் சொல்றது எனக்கு புரியுது. ஓகே, இதை வந்து எப்படி அப்ரோச் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, இது மாதிரி வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஸ்ட்ரிங் வருது அப்படின்னா இதை பண்ணாதீங்க. ஓகேங்களா? இப்படி எடுத்து விட்டுருங்க. எடுத்து விட்டுட்டு அசெண்டிங் டிசெண்டிங் எடுத்து விட்டுட்டு ஜஸ்ட் ஐ வில் செக், கீப் இன் ஆர்டர் பைல் வைங்க. கர்சர்ல வச்ச உடனே இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன தரான் உங்களுக்கு? காலம்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ணு. அசெண்டிங் வந்து என்ன பாஸ் பண்ண சொல்றான் உங்களுக்கு? அசெண்டிங் என்ன டைப் பாஸ் பண்ண சொல்றான்?
Boolean.
Sir, Boolean, sir.
bool. It's a boolean. Okay, you have to pass a bool. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணுங்க? ஜஸ்ட் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுங்க, ஒரு கமா போட்டு இந்த ஆர்டர் பை வந்து நீங்க என்ன பாஸ் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பூல் பாஸ் பண்ணலாம். லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பூல் ஆர் இன்ட் பாஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்றான். அப்ப வந்து குட். அப்ப வந்து என்ன பண்ணும்? கமா கொடுத்து ஒரு லிஸ்ட் ஒன்று பாஸ் பண்ணுங்க. லிஸ்ட் பாஸ் பண்ணிட்டு வந்து என்ன பாஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா, இருங்க வரேன். ஜஸ்ட் வந்து நீங்க வந்து ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸ் பாஸ் பண்ணணும். ட்ரூனா வந்து அசெண்டிங், ஃபால்ஸ்னா டிசெண்டிங். ஓகே, ட்ரூனா என்னது? அசெண்டிங். ஃபால்ஸ்னா என்னது?
Descending, sir.
டிசெண்டிங். ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ வந்து ரன் ஆகும் பாருங்க உங்களுக்கு. வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, இங்க திருப்பி ஒரு பிராக்கெட் அடிஷனல் பிராக்கெட்ஸ் இருக்கு, ரிமூவ் பண்ணுவோம். யா, now everything is good. Run it. இது மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரிங் யூஸ் பண்றீங்க அப்படின்னா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? நீங்க வந்து அந்த ASDs எல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? நீங்க வந்து ஒரு லிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் பூல் யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு என்ன பண்ணணும்? ட்ரூ ஆர் ஃபால்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா, ட்ரூ யூஸ் பண்ணா அசெண்டிங். வெயிட் பண்ண செக் பண்ணிடுறேன் நான். sort only accepts, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, sortல இஷ்யூ இருக்கா? இருங்க. sort only accepts string and column list of string and column objects. வர இருங்க. we are using only order by, right? வேற எங்க இஷ்யூ இருக்கு? the line num sort only accepts. I am checking with order by. Sort only accepts string and columns or a list of string and string and column objects. 1 minute guys. line number 3 in line number 3 2 in module and then employee data frame order by la தான் இருக்கு. ஓகே, அங்கதான் இஷ்யூ இருக்கு. ஓகே, employee data frame job id and then we are passing true or false pass பண்றோம். வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, நான் ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஒரு கீவேர்ட் தரலைங்க. ascending equal to true or false லிஸ்ட் தான் கொடுத்தாச்சு. லெட்ஸ் ட்ரை. What happened, guys? Ascending ampersand not allowed. 1 minute, guys.
This conference will now be recorded.
Guys, simple thing, just leave one space here and then save it and then run again. Okay, that's no mistake. You have to use this keyword ascending equal true or false. True means employee should be ascending order and then job ID should be descending order. Now Anand will answer. In the order by, can I able to pass 5 columns? In the order by,
No,
can I able
sir.
to pass 5 in the order by, can I able to pass 5 columns?
No, sir.
In order by, can able to pass 5 columns here? Employee ID, job ID, comma, and then employee name, first name, last name. Can I able to pass order by? Anyone? In order by
Sir,
column, can I able to pass 5 columns?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we can possibly pass 5 columns. I can say single column also you can pass. Multiple column also you can pass. Anand, multiple column also you can able to pass here. And then
Okay, sir.
if I passing 5 columns, first 4 columns should be ascending order. The last column should be descending order. What is the bool value you will provide? What is the bool value you guys will provide?
Sir, for the totally
First 4 columns.
4 column you have to give true, sir. Last column you have to give false.
False. Okay, now we're going to perform the same thing in sort by. Sort by also same. Okay, just do one thing. Just I will take this sort by. Okay, just do one thing, guys. Remove the column reference. Okay, now what I have to provide? Comma, leave some space. Ascending equal to, I want to provide both are true. Both are true means both are true. Both are true means both columns should be in ascending order. Okay, just run it. It will fetch from the Snowflake and then it will create a data frame and then it will perform the results. Now you can see it's performing the ascending order operation with both columns. Okay, now everything is good. This is nothing but order by and sort by. Okay, and then one more thing will be there for here. Okay, now I want to say a few things to here. Just do one thing. We're using order by and sort by. Okay, I'll take this data frame. Let's check it's there or not. Create or replace temp view. You're seeing, right? Create or replace temp view. Temporarily, I'm going to create a view. Give any name. Okay, you might have question. This view will be exist up to which duration? Until the code is running, right? This view will exist. If the code is stopping, right, the view will be temporarily deleted. Sorry, view will be deleted. நான் என்ன சொல்ல வரேன் அப்படின்னா, இந்த கோட் ரன் ஆகிற வரையும் இந்த வியூ வந்து உங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். ஓகேங்களா? இந்த கோட் ரன் ஆகி முடிஞ்ச உடனே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா வியூ வந்து டெலிட் ஆயிடும். ஓகேங்களா? எதுக்காக பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா, நீங்க வந்து இந்த வர ரிசல்ட்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா, நான் வந்து ஒரு வேரியபிள் ஷோ பண்ணிக்கலாமா? இங்க நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னு பாருங்க. emp அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் டேட்டா ஃப்ரேம் 1 ஈக்குவல் டு ஸ்டோர் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிட்டு, இதை வந்து நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா ஒரு டெம்பரவரி வியூவா வச்சுக்கிறேன். டெம்பரரி வச்சுக்கலாமா? வச்சுக்கிட்டு ஐ கோயிங் டு கிவ் சம் நேம், temp, give some name. Okay, vw stands for view. இப்போ என்ன பண்றேன்னா, நான் ஒரு வியூ கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இந்த வியூல வந்து நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்னா, ஐ கோயிங் டு ஃபில்டர் who are all advps யாருக்கான ஃபில்டர் பண்ண போறேன். அப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா, ஒரு வியூ மாதிரி கிரியேட் பண்ணிட்டு இதை வந்து ஒரு டேபிளா கன்சிடர் ஆயிடும். வியூன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? சிமிலர் லைக் டேபிள், சம்வாட் டேபிள். ஓகேங்களா? பிசிக்கல் டேபிள் இல்லாம ஒரு வியூ மாதிரி டேபிள் வியூ கிரியேட் பண்ணிருப்பாங்க. அது மாதிரி இதுல வந்து நீங்க என்ன பண்ணலாம், கொரி பண்ணி இதை நீங்க ஃபில்டர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். காட் இட்? புரியுதா இல்லையா? ஆனா இந்த வியூ how long will it exist? இந்த வியூ எவ்வளவு நேரம் எக்ஸிஸ்டா இருக்கும்? until the code is
code is getting executed.
code is running. கோட் வந்து எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகிட்டே இருக்கும். இந்த செஷன் வந்து எப்போ வந்து அலைவா இருக்கோ அது வரையும் உங்களுக்கு அந்த டெம்பரவரி இருக்கும். எப்போ அந்த செஷன் வந்து கில் ஆயிடுதோ அப்போ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா உங்களுக்கு என்ன ஆயிடும்னா டெம்பரவரி வந்து டெலிட் ஆயிடும். ஓகே, கேட்கலாம் சார் டெம்பரவரி வச்சு நான் இப்போ என்ன சார் பண்ண போறேன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா, நான் சொல்றேன், வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க. நீங்க எதை கொரி மாதிரி யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ நான் சீக்குவலர் யூஸ் பண்ண போறேன். ஓகே, now you guys going to see எப்படி பண்ண போறேன்னு பாருங்க. just I will take this session dot SQL எழுதிக்குங்க. எழுதிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா, இவங்களால இப்போ டபுள் கோட்ஸ்க்குள்ள உங்களை கொரி எழுத முடியும். now you guys have to say எனக்கு இப்போ என்ன டேபிள் இருக்கு? இப்போ என்கிட்ட என்ன டேபிள் இருக்கு? look at the line number 38. எம்ப்ளாயிஸ் இருக்கா? look at the line number 38. temporary view னு ஒரு டேபிள் என்கிட்ட இருக்கு. ஓகேங்களா? until the session is alive that table will still exist. But are you saying employees table is exist? But I am talking about temporary view. Until the section is exist, it will be alive. ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன்னா, நான் சீக்வல் எழுத முடியும். நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா, இந்த நியூ செஷன்ன்றது ஒரு செஷன், சீக்வல் யூஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ண போறேன், ஏன்னா இந்த செஷன் இருக்க வரையும் இந்த டெம்பரரி வியூ இருக்கும். அதுல டாட் சீக்வல் போட்டு என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், கொரி பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ என்னோட வியூ டேபிள் சொல்ல முடியுமா? என்னோட வியூவோட நேம் சொல்ல முடியுமா? எனிஒன்?
temp
underscore vw
சொல்லலாம். ஓகேங்களா? now it's very simple. I'm going to write select query, select just I will take this column name, employee id, display column should be employee id, and then job name from what's my table name? No, it's not table name, it's view name actually. Okay, view where job id, just take the job id from here, job id equal to, put in single quotes, I want to filter advp. Okay, I already said Snowpark is lazily evaluated. If you place a cursor in .sql, what is the return type of SQL?
data frames.
Data frame. Then you can use the dot show action. Okay, just run it. It's still running. Now you can look at the last data frame. Why it's filter only 2 records? Because
Where
the temporary view we have only like 2 records available in the ADVP. That's why it's filtered the 101, 102. We are using the predicate job ID equal to ADVP. Okay, this is how you guys have to use. And then what you can do, like yeah, okay, ADVP, or you can try like this as well. Okay, again you can use order by job ID. See, Snowpark பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் வந்து SQL வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. ஓகேங்களா? Those who are not good in Python, they can use SQL as well. நான் சொல்றது புரியுதா? Those who are not good in those who are not good in Python, they can go for SQL யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. SQL யூஸ் பண்ணீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்னா பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் இஷ்யூ நிறைய வரும். You'll get more performance issues. ஓகேங்களா? அதெல்லாம் வந்து SQL யூஸ் பண்றாங்கன்னு நம்ம ஒரு மாதிரி பார்ப்போம் நாங்க. Okay, I'll talk in the offline. Okay, just I want to put in a descending order, DSC. Okay, just run it. What happens, guys? 1 minute. It's giving some other results. Okay. It's giving the because I removed the filter, right? What is happening, right? I'm putting the descending order. Just it's giving the 101 AD president, ADVP, and 102 ADVP. It's giving the records. You can use SQL as well. Now what happens, right? Just what you can do, new session dot close. Okay, I go into close session. After close session, can I use this temp view?
No, sir.
You guys have to say. After
No, sir,
close session, can I use this temp view?
No, sir.
It will be alive or dead?
Dead, sir.
One session is closed, right? Automatically the temporary view will be deleted. If you run here, right, it will throw the error because I'm closed session. It's going to throw the error. Let's see. What happens?
Cursor is closed in execute.
Cursor is closed because whatever things your session is created, right, it's closed actually. After that, you're trying to call the temp view, it won't exist actually. Okay, that's what I'm saying. This temporary view will be exist, okay, until the session is alive. Okay, once session is closed, right, the temporary will be deleted. Okay, this temporary mostly used for the transformations, internal transformation you can use for the internal transformations. Okay, எனக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா ஒரு டெம்ப் வியூ மாத்தி அதை வந்து உன்னோட ஜாயின் போடணும், என் டெம்பரரி வியூவையும் இன்னொரு டேபிள் ஜாயின் போடணும் அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து டெம்ப் வியூ மாத்தி நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்படி டெம்ப் வியூ கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன ஆகும்னா டேபிள் ஃபார்மேட் ஆயிடும், நீங்க இன்னொரு டேபிளுக்கும் இந்த டேபிளுக்கும் ஜாயின் போட்டுக்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா, குட். That's what I want to say here. I'm going to close session right now.